Hello UCU family members, ninjas and fans, this is your boy Fenrir Moon bringing you that intel drop. Shang-Chi and Cheng on shaping the next superhero, a variety exclusive by Patriot Freighter from your
United Comics universe.
A universe for fans.
From pages to pictures, we are comics.
Annie Cheng is shaping the next Asian superhero. So let's get the intel file from the United Comic Universe Intel Vote so we can drop that intel on you guys. How may I help you? Type your name right here. Is your intelligent file? Have a nice intelligent day. Annie Cheng had earned tremendous kudos as the fight choreographer of the bus scene in the Marvel recent Shang-Chi and the Legend of the Ten Rings. The scene took nearly a year to plan and execute, and served to demonstrate Simu Liu previously hitting skills to an open-mouth Aquafina and has since been released by Marvel as a standalone YouTube clip.